Lisa, and today we are going to be doing slime pet peeves. So I've actually been waiting a long time to do this video. So yeah, and before I start, some of these pet peeves I do myself, and I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings doing these pet peeves. So yeah, let's get right into the video, and yeah. So this pet peeve is where they have no care in the world how they poke it. They just keep poking it hard, and then soft, and then hard. And they just keep switching off, and then they use their tips of their fingers. Next pet peeve is where they have slime on their hand from the last slime, and it's opposite colors, so all you do is look at the slime that's on their hand and not the slime that they're trying to show you. Next pet peeve is where they use anything else that's not their hands, like popsicle stick or pencil, and they use that to poke the slime. I don't know, maybe they don't want to get slime on their hand or something. I don't know, they just use something else. So this pet peeve is where they only talk about how pretty their slime is, and they don't actually poke it. Do you see all of those bubbles? So I got these beads from Michael. Next slime pet peeve is when their slime is really hard and they're poking it very lightly. Next slime pet peeve is when they use the tip of their hands and not their nails. Next slime pet peeve is when they have their bubble ready and they poke over the bubble. They don't crunch it. Next slime pet peeve is when they have the perfect circle and they crunch it. They don't poke it. Next pet peeve is when they poke in the same spot over and over again. Next slime pet peeve is when they have a jiggly slime and all they do is slap it. Next slime pet peeve is when they have putty and they try to poke it like slime. Next slime pet peeve is when they put too much beads in their slime and all the beads fall out when they play with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And make sure to turn on that notification bell to see more of my videos. So yeah, you have a great day. Bye!
Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burn. And I feel it burn down this river every turn. Hope is our four-letter word. Make that money.